When we talk about weight loss, one thing that first comes to our mind is exercise. And thinking of physical activity can really be exhausting. So better to skip a meal instead, isn't it? Whether doing a job or taking care of the home, we are always busy with our work. And of course, when one thing is done, something or other pops up next. So taking out time for exercise can really be challenging, but not impossible. Hello everyone and welcome to All Lite Food. With changing times, life is getting even more busier. It seems now we have everything near us with a touch of a button. Life is moving so fast that we can't walk and we have to run. But aren't we missing something? Our physical and mental health? Remember those old days when we would come running home, throw our school bag on the couch, grab a little snack and go out to play with the friends, jump, have fun, take a walk with our grandparents to a long distant park, or do a lot of dance parties in festive seasons. All those fun is slowly fading away, and fading away with it is our physical and mental health. Back in those days, everyone was engaged in some kind of physical activity, like doing the everyday household work, walking to office, riding a bicycle to market, or even taking care of the pets. But now things are so different. We live in a sedentary lifestyle, where it's very easy to do our work while sitting or lying down. No more going out to play, video games are there. No more cycling to market, online shoppings are there, and no more doing household things because modern appliances are there. I'm sure you must be thinking it is not possible to live all those olden days now. But we can definitely add all the healthy habits in our busy modern lifestyle, like eating healthy, doing regular exercise and meditation. Trust me, exercise or physical training is essential for us. Doing exercise every day helps us to maintain a healthy weight, which decreases the risk of certain diseases, including diabetes, cholesterol, indigestion, and high blood pressure. Exercise helps to improve the blood circulation in the body, which helps to reduce the risk of heart problems and other cardiovascular diseases. When we exercise, it helps us to breathe more. Thus, increased breathing helps our heart to pump more and more blood to the muscles and other parts of the body. In this way, exercise indirectly helps us to deliver oxygen and nutrients to the body tissues. While we are exercising, the heart rate increases and the heart pumps more blood, which carries oxygen to the brain. This benefits the health of the brain cells and improves memory power. Physical activities also stimulates the growth hormone in our body, which directs to increase bone, muscle and tissue productions. Regular exercise keeps the digestive system healthy and strong. It helps to relieve constipation and chronic indigestion. Proper digestion can remove chronic gastritis and stomach bloating. Adding physical activity to our everyday life increases our body strength, stamina, and improves our energy level. This way, we can get rid of laziness, excess sleeping, and fatigue. Regular training also keeps the skin healthy and glowing. The increased blood flow due to exercise nourishes the skin cells, and sweating during the workout makes the skin breathe, flushes out the substances of salt and cholesterol, and removes the clogs which can cause pimples and blemishes. It's interesting to know that exercise helps to keep the arteries and veins clear and also helps to keep the lungs strong and healthy. And most importantly, regular exercise helps to reduce chronic stress, depression, and anxiety. All you have to do is take out at least 30 minutes in a day for yourself. Make it a routine with all your other day-to-day works. Before meal or a couple of hours of meal, decide a time when you can give your best for your health. Don't exhaust or stress yourself. Just relax and start slow. Take expert advice from your doctors or gym instructor and get going. So how often you should exercise? According to many studies, you should exercise at least 30 minutes in a day for 4 to 5 days in a week to maintain a healthy life as well as a healthy body weight. Running, walking, skipping, staircase climbing, or any type of cardio that you like can be included to your everyday schedule. To reduce weight, work at least 45 minutes to 1 hour for 4 to 5 days in a week, or as per to meet your specific weight loss goal. Cardio, strength training, or both, whichever you prefer or advised by your trainer, can be included to your everyday schedule. 4 to 5 days of intense workout or 6 to 7 days of moderate exercise is healthy for an overweight adult to lead a healthy lifestyle. So that's all for today's video. I'm sure it was a bit informative and was able to make you understand that how exercise is important in our day-to-day busy life. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For health and food related articles, please visit my website at www.alllightfood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.